brother. Getting ready for the show tonight. Yeah, suck them up. Donnie Beats behind the camera. Hey, shout out to all the fans that are coming through tonight. Family, friends, everybody. Thank y'all for coming out and support Shack House Finance.
Thank you for the support. Tell you, whoa.
Me words, me fight, y'all, me bird, me times out right now, me moments, me turn, me light up.
Here at the spot right now, suck them up. Turn around right there.
Family, I love me, rockin' me foundation. We stay for forever, Shack House, me kingdom. Go on my kukuina, ore afari ina. Kalengero kuoli, all you haters get that finger. Will intervene, interfere between me dream. Okay, caught up and get boxed in by the team. We run the scene to cross, must pay the fee.
Are you ready? Drop that beat. Let's go, DJ. Yeah. Turn it up. Yeah.
Sometimes Maria, vai mais, Sosiba.
FCC Pangaloy Morning Wanna get back to the day Long tayo What it is Lost in the name of the life that don't treat you right when you coming up to work, you'll make it right. You don't need no stress, no drama when it comes to whenever you wanna so the words we find out we burn. Times are right now, we moments we turn. Lifetime we rock, we walk it, we climb. Going the distance, who souls we climb. Family, we rock it, we foundation. We stay for forever, Shack House, we kingdom. Go on my kukuila, ole afaiila.
Haya sama taki sema moni atuai walufale ila upele wale mafailo ufatu wanatata lele waonisia oi tauni na mate na ufama tate tali tunuele muafungaia uya oe it's the same old thing, living the life gets through the pain, yeah. So beautiful, beautiful. So get up on your feet, put your hands together for me.
Cutting Steve, coming through, much love and support. Check out Billions out the November 23rd, 2013, you know what I'm saying? Hey, once the tattoo done, my boy, look you up. We up.
Mark, hold the soap, hold the soap, hold the soap.
Show is pretty good. Hey, anytime you want to buy a CD, get your ass down there.
Hold on, man, hold the soap, baby.
Shack House Flame.
Nice new shirt, nice new shirt. Flash that.
Hey, this is new shit, man.
Alright, boys, do it better, baby. Alright.
Oh, I'm so happy that, this opportunity for me to come up and support me to single mom. Hey, stood all the way and, but listen, Shack House, Mr. Ron, Shack House player, and thank you for Danny Beach for bringing up the beats, the man in there.
Hold the soap, man, hold the soap, hold the soap.
It was
Show, love it.
Hold the soap, Pete.
Oh, it was awesome, bro. You did a good job, man. Looking forward to the rest of you guys' stuff to come out.
Good footage.
Oh yeah, always. Looking forward to you guys from Shack House. Good stuff coming through, man.
Hold the soap.
good, bro. Love it. Love the crowd.
Shack House in the building. Just finished with the show, man. It was a good turnout. Aloha. Much love, Biggie. Big supporters, Shack House fans, family, friends, worldwide, baby. Let's go.
Thanks for the stage, Ali Khan, International All-Stars. It's Joe. Thank you, Davis Marlowe.
Amerika, Hawaii, nagkukuwi na mabanguan, yung puro masabay, sila ang